Hey, it's Rich Motts with the Motts team. Do not miss our mega open house this Saturday, September 13th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. It's located at 6109 Oakhill Drive, Northeast Alliance, Ohio, 44601, which is in Marlington School District, a beautiful rural area here. So this bungalow actually has this beautiful front deck on it. And then here's the living room into the sunroom dining area and the beautifully remodeled kitchen. I mean, it is to die for. Check it out. And there is another shot of the actual dining area in the front sunroom. And then look at this family room. It is amazing with a second fireplace in it and sliding glass doors out into the backyard to an acre of lot. And there's another shot of the family room, the first floor, the largest bedroom there, the second first floor bedroom, and then there's the total remodeled first floor bath there. Second floor has a bonus room plus another bedroom up there and big private lot to this property. So, you know, you don't want to miss this home. It has new roof, updated electric service, new furnace, new hot water heater. Come on out and see it. It's a beautiful home. It won't last. Today's the day. Saturday, September 13th from 11 a.m. to 1 starts the first showings and the first open house. So come on out and see it. It won't be long.